Previously on the Pacific Crest Trail.
I'm pretty much packed up. This is 8 days of food. This is not good. That's insane. Here I am with the pack. It's feeling pretty bad already, to be honest. Made it to the trail. I'm hiking. It hurts a lot. This pack is so heavy. I feel humbled. I don't really want to introduce myself as Tank when I feel like this. First day has definitely been a struggle, but we made it. We made it as far as the water source, which was the goal for today. It's time for bed. See you in the morning. Today hasn't been any easier. We fixed, Asher helped me pack it better, so the weight is distributed better, and tiny bit less weight because I ate a little bit of dinner and some breakfast this morning, but it's been pretty bad. Been groaning, moaning, and groaning, and like just playing with the straps all a whole bunch, trying to find different places for my body to hold pain. Asher's way ahead of me. Actually, I might be able to catch him with the camera. There he is. We had me leading, so that way, because Asher's way faster, so that way we don't get separated. I was leading, but we decided that Asher's gonna go ahead of me, go to the next checkpoint, which in our current situation is a water source around 2 miles ahead of us, and then he's gonna drop off his pack there, walk back until he meets back up with me, and then carry my pack there. It's kind of embarrassing. I tried to wait as long as I could to not let him do that, but I don't know, it's been so hard, so I let him do it. And I asked him, I'm like, it's faster for you to go there, come back, and go back than it is for me to go there? And he said yes. So that's what we're doing. My mood has lifted a lot since we agreed to this, because I was just thinking about how impossible it seems to keep doing what I've been doing. So yeah, we kind of have a new plan, and I'm feeling a little bit better because of it. So yeah, now hiking to the next water source. Here I am walking behind him packless. Now I got his backpack on. We made it to the water source. We filled up our water. We're dry camping tonight, so we're not camping at a water source. The camp's in 4 miles, so I'm gonna do the first 2 miles leading with my backpack, and then the last 2 miles we'll do our new plan with Asher running there and back. That's the plan. What's the situation?
I think the salami held up. The situation is kind of bleak. but the salami held up. Julian's feeling sick. I feel My knees kind of bother me because I ran today, and my body's used to walking, so it's a little different, but it's okay. I think it's good now. We're cowboy camping. Julian might rest in town and meet back up with me later. We will find out.
Yeah, I feel bad. This whole trip I've been struggling. I think I already told you guys I didn't really get rest before this trip. So I'm feeling sick. My throat was really bothering me last night. It hurt all throughout the day. Now I'm kind of getting snotty. I'm coughing. I think it's just my what?
Induced asthma. Which is asthma.
When I exercise, I cough afterward. All right, whatever. Some people, have other problems. So, but yeah, now like there was a while that I was thinking about the trip might have to end, and that kind of sucked. But now there's a chance that I could just rest in a town ahead of Asher, meet back up with him, and then do the stretch up we were planning to do. So that sounds like a good plan. So it's 8 miles to this parking lot where I might be able to hitch a ride to the next town we're planning to go to, which is called Wrightwood. So I don't know.
Miss out on the McDonald's though. Sorry.
Apparently, well, I was gonna say we, but maybe he will go through the only McDonald's there is on the PCT. Are you gonna eat it there?
I don't know. It's kind of what you do. I don't know. It'd be like, oh, you didn't eat at McDonald's? Are you even a thru hiker? I don't know.
Are you even American? So Asher's gonna eat McDonald's while I rest at a hotel. Hopefully I can figure out how to do that. I don't know. Even 8 miles tomorrow sounds like a lot. But I did 9 the first day, and then we did 15 today. But as you saw, Asher carried my backpack for a lot. But it was very hard. Glad out of the campsite. I'm actually starting to feel just a little bit better since we're here. But yeah, keep you updated.
What's up?
We're cowboy camping tonight, meaning we're just out here.
We're out here.
Sun setting. And here I am with my dirty feet. Cowboy camping. I honestly wanted to set up my tent, but it was hard because we're on top of sand. It's hard to get the stakes in. I'm sleeping on top of it. That's what people do, I guess. Yep.
Next up on the Pacific Crest Trail.
Check out the size of these pine cones.
How do you rate my river crossing?
But you made it across it, 10 out of 10.
If you can tell I sound sick, it's because I'm sick.
Yeah! Welcome to the life.